What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tookie, and I am back with another mukbang. Today, I have my friend Dennis in the building with us today. And go ahead and tell him, hey, what's up?
Hey, everybody.
So, today we're going to actually do stuffed shrimp with crab meat. And then I just had some leftover meat that I didn't have enough shrimp for. And I just made them into some the crab balls with some Italian bread seeds, some Italian breadcrumbs. And this one right here, I actually took and I made it, I butterflied them, put the crab meat with the mixture and stuff like that, and battered it in some fish fries, some flour, eggs, and things like that. And on the side, we have a spicy aioli that I made. And then over here, we got the sauce, the butter sauce that I always make. So he likes the butter sauce, so I got that for him. So, that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right. So, start with one of these. Just grab you one. I'm gonna dip this in here. Let's see this thing. You want to bite? Okay.
This is delicious.
That's really good. So, this is my first time ever having this. So I was talking to Cameron, and he was telling me, you should eat some stuffed shrimp. And I said, what is stuffed shrimp? And he was like, tell me to look it up. You know, he's from Louisiana. So, they have like places out there that sell them. And I couldn't find a place here in Dallas. It's really good, right?
This is really good. Like, seriously, this is really, really good.
I surprised myself.
I've had some from Louisiana, New Orleans, matter of fact, but not like this. This is good.
This is really good. So, there was like, what, Papados or somebody here that sell them. But there was like, that's not going to be the same. And get some different ones. So I said, okay, let me just try to make it myself. Let me get this one.
This is really, really good.
Let me just try to make this myself. And so I did. I looked at the recipe. I actually got the recipe from It's So Good. And I just tweaked it a little bit to my liking. It is it.
This is really, really good. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Just my napkin, please. Try to pause.
Is it good with that sauce though? Cause I normally just eat that with boiled seafood. Well,
The sauce is amazing. It really is.
I had made that sauce on my last video, then I had just froze it. So I also got the 2-ton spicy sauce in the building. Let's see what that's gonna do. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Sometimes when I eat this, I feel like my heart stopped.
Let me try it. Let's see if mine stopped.
But it's so good. Did your heart stop?
It haven't stopped yet. But I feel like it's on the way.
Okay, just let it skip a beat. Don't let it stop.
This is really, really good.
You haven't ate yours? You haven't tasted yours that I got you?
No, I have not. I haven't.
This is really good.
It's really, really good. It almost gives you like a spicy barbecue or something. Something like that.
Yeah.
This is
because
good.
The good thing about it, typically spicy stuff is just spicy. This actually has flavor. So.
This is a setup, you guys. I want y'all to know. Because right now.
You feel it?
My mouth. My mouth is on fire. This is good, but this is a setup sauce.
So you know they have challenges with this sauce.
I couldn't do it.
And the people be eating crab legs, all type of stuff with this, with no water and stuff like that. You have to dip. Every bite has to have like a lot of it on there. It's really good. But them challenges be tough. I'm gonna try this.
They're good.
Oh, you had one?
Mm-hmm. I just had one. They're really, really good.
Because this has a different breading. I actually use breadcrumbs. Is it garlic? One of them. Italian. That's what the word is. Italian breadcrumbs.
It's really, really good.
This is nothing but crab meat, guys. So it's kind of like a crab cake.
Uh-huh. It's a crab ball. It's a crab ball.
I just thought of that. This is a crab cake that I done made into a ball.
My mouth is on fire. I'm talking about on fire.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, goodness.
It's good.
I'm about to do it out of prayer. Crab cake. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I done made up something. I did. I told Cameron, I said, man, I'm supposed to use this leftover meat and make me a little ball, like a little a boudin ball, but with crab meat. He's like, oh yeah. But you know he don't eat seafood. So
Oh, he doesn't?
He's allergic. He can only eat catfish. No shellfish. So I thought I came up with something. And I made a crab cake.
The whole time it's a crab cake.
Yeah. I said these may be a big hit.
It's so good.
So we about to have a seafood boil right after this with crab legs and stuff like that. With the sauce, of course. A little garlic butter on the side, of course. A little egg, a little potato, a little sausage. But anyways, this is good. Cameron, thank you.
Thank you, Cam. He did a great job. Honestly, he did.
I done surprised myself, guys. Look at that. Look, I'm trying. Do y'all see the crisp on that? That is good. That's golden.
Y'all don't know what y'all missing.
Let me try this with your sauce.
It's good.
You got the onions and all this stuff
I didn't
on there?
get the onions.
Let me see. Oh, it's steaming.
It's still steaming.
Oh, okay.
That's some really good sauce, you guys.
Let's see.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
I told you it was good.
It's good.
I told you.
I know the sauce is good, but I never thought to eat that with fried seafood. It's good though.
It's really, really good.
Mmm.
Not to mention again, my mouth is still on fire.
Then I normally have to be everybody right here. Tyrita moved it. It's gone.
No water, no nothing. Mouth just on fire.
That is good with that. You know, I made that sauce last week, and then I froze it. And I think all them flavors done set in.
Set in. That's probably what it is. Because it's really, really good.
It is, because it's good. Oh, I'm gonna be full. These are huge, guys.
They are. Yes, they
Did
are.
y'all see how big they were? These are big.
They are.
Oh, excuse me.
And I'm full.
Oh, that's just all that meat. And y'all, the shrimp under that too. Oh Lord.
Woo.
Ooh. I think I'm gonna try to do this sauce one more time.
It's a setup.
I'm gonna just let it skip a beat. Ooh.
It's really good though. The sauce, that's
Yes.
some really, really good sauce.
I'm gonna drink this one. You may have to resuscitate.
Cause let me tell you something. That mouth gonna be swollen in a minute.
Look at that first bite. I swear it's like a gas. Put your little onion.
Let's see.
Show the people.
Y'all see that? Some really, really good sauce. I don't know his secret, his recipe. He won't tell me, but it's good. I put in an order like twice a month.
Okay.
Y'all, this is good.
Woo. We're gonna take the leftovers to the seafood boil. This is a
You don't
lot.
have to, because I'm full.
Y'all, I made 20 stuffed. I've been going to say stuffed crab. Stuffed seafood. What did I make? 20 stuffed shrimp with crab meat. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna put her up.
Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, tell a friend. Don't ask for the recipe.
Yes, guys, please like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, share this video with anybody, everybody, whoever,
Somebody.
Woo!
He feel what I feel now, what I was just saying. That sauce done kicked in.
What's it? This sauce. Who got the sauce?
Okay, Tookie got the sauce.
Who got the sauce?
Tookie got the sauce.
Who got the sauce?
Took Lagoo.
What kind of sauce?
Took sauce. Oh, wait.
Baby, I feel like my heart is just.
I done started sweating. That's just how I know that sauce is working.
I'm gonna eat one more of these because I got full.
I'm full. I can't do it.
They
They are huge,
Look at
though.
how big that is.
They're huge.
And it's crisp and fried. That's shrimp. It looks like a stuffed jalapeno almost.
It does.
Oh, excuse me. Okay.
I'm full.
Me too. But I'm gonna eat this one. Cause I just need one more in my life.
I'm glad this wasn't a challenge because I would have lost.
Cause how many you eat? Two?
I had
Three.
I ate 3 shrimps and 2 balls.
3 shrimps, 2 balls. I ate. This will be my 4th one.
For shrimps and what, 2 balls?
I don't remember how many balls I had. I can only tell from this one because of the tails that's left over on the shrimp. These are really good.
They are.
And you know, this lump crab, I got all this stuff from Albertsons, guys. So ever since I got the shrimp, the big shrimp from the seafood section or whatever, the guy in the back, I got some jumbo lump crab meat. And that lump crab is like, just look, that's just meat.
It's a lot.
Look how big that's lump meat right there.
It's real meaty.
Yeah. And it's good. Well, I wish I was at this weekend. Was at Cynthia Bailey wedding. Did you see her?
I did. I did.
The girls came stumping through.
They did. Yeah, they did.
Cynthia looked really nice. They can't deny that mug.
She did. She looked really
She
nice.
looked really- I liked her hair. It was different.
It was her day.
I mean, it wasn't
She
like
was
ooh, but it was like it was a subtle look that she gave.
It was her day. She looked it great. She looked amazing. It was her day. But that Portia Williams,
Ooh, Mama ate. The way did y'all see that? The way Miss Thing came through in that dress.
that Portia Williams had came through and shut it down.
Oh yes, that dress was it.
Yes, it was. It was.
Mm-hmm.
I know she probably didn't had no intentions to come through like, to shut it down like that. But she did.
Oh yeah.
Yes, she did.
Mama said it down. Because I saw the picture first and I didn't know that she was going to the wedding.
Neither did I.
And I said, where's she going dressed like this?
Right.
Hang it up.
But that next day, I said, "Oh, okay."
I hope they show that on the show. This wedding.
Hopefully, yeah, I believe they would, because they ain't really just been posting too much about it. So you know how they go.
Probably want to save it for the show.
Right.
But yeah, because I gotta see that. Because they said because Candy had posted talk about how Eva she walked down that aisle like she was on the runway. But I didn't like her hair.
I couldn't get off into it. I really couldn't. I'm just honest. I couldn't get off into it. Now, Eva, I love you. You know, you do your thing, but I couldn't get off into that.
I mean, it was what it was, but I was just like, I get that she's a model, so you know she got to be extra,
Right?
And do whatever. She looked nice. I just didn't like the hair.
No,
but anyway,
without the pearls going through it either. It's enough for me.
It's enough for me too. Eva, tonight. But yes, over that spice had hit me again. Later. But yeah, guys. So thank y'all for watching this video. Please don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And please share this video with anyone and everyone. You can also catch me on my Instagram, Dutch_Tookie. And my TikTok is the same as my YouTube page, Tookielife. And yeah, you want to tell them about your hats that you sell? What's your hat page on Instagram?
My hat page is Royal Motif, but this is not about me. This is about Tookie.
It is. But I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and plug you on in. Okay. So I'm gonna leave because that Romo, whatever it said.
Royal Motifs.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the screen.
Okay.
And yes, so he makes hats
And necklaces.
And so you can find him on his Instagram page at Royal M Motifs. But yeah, so this is my friend. We've been friends for like
years.
Yeah.
We're not gonna tell our age.
Yeah, still in my early 20s.
Okay. We're still in our 20s.
Okay. But yeah, so until next time, thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Peace.